Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Kia Grand Carnival Platinum, stock reference number 5729. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2010 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a G6 DC, 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G6 DC, 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light. Left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has 4 small dents, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate has a fold on the left-hand edge and 2 dents. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 large dents. Right front door has 1 large dent and 4 small dents. Right guard has no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, centre console, gear shifter, climate control heater controls, 6-stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.